life is good and life is nice.
You don't walk out of me.
I did not walk out of you. Why are you like this? Can't you see I did not have time for your interactions at this point? Baby, my driver and my friends are waiting for me outside.
Oh, that is all you have to say to me. That your friends are waiting for you outside. Rose!
Baby, I promise you we'll have this conversation once I return. I promise. I promise you, okay? Please. Bye. Are you crazy?
Calm down.
Are you stupid?
Calm down.
No, are you blind? Can't you see?
It's okay. Who are you?
I should be asking you that stupid question. Who the hell are you?
You should calm down. You must be Rose.
And if I am Rose, do you have a problem with the name Rose?
No, see. You saw me passing and you stepped on me. You should have just greeted me.
I stepped on you or you stepped on my way? Which of the above?
You stepped on me.
You are very sick. You are stupid. As a matter of fact, you are really blind. I have confirmed it. You are mad.
You are mannerless. Yes, you are mannerless and uncultured bitch. What is wrong with
Me
you?
uncultured?
Why are you salting? And your sour mood, don't transfer it to me.
I should not have what on you.
Your
Look
sour
at this idiot. Look at this dopamine patient. This fool. Look at this focus. Who is talking? You?
Are you talking to me?
No, I am talking to the ghost beside you. You're a very stupid man, oh. You just walked past it to me, something to tell me something. You're talking rubbish.
See, I don't have much thing to tell you. But I don't know where my brother find. No. My brother cannot live with a bitch like
you.
Yes.
You are Kelvin.
I'm Kelvin.
Really?
Yes.
And you were expecting me to greet you because you're Kelvin. Really? Now tell me, if I do not greet you, what will you do? Beat me? What will you do? Beat me? Beat me now. My friend, listen, you should listen to me.
I don't have it.
You should listen to me. You cannot come and ruin my trip. Listen to me. Better go inside there and go and deal with your brother instead of you staying out here dealing with a woman. Get out! Don't touch me. You let this girl. I'm not there.
Who is that mannerless uncultured guy just met aside?
What girl are you talking about?
Are you asking me? Is this not your house? How am I supposed to know that? All I know is that that girl is senseless. She has bleached all her senses away. Very uncultured swine.
Hey, Kevin, come on. That is my fiancée you're talking about.
No, that cannot be your fiancée. You can't marry that girl. You can't.
Kevin, stop it. Like I told you, that is my fiancée.
No. That cannot be your fiancée. You can't marry that girl. No.
Kelvin, you don't know Bruce. She's a good girl. Fine, I understand. She's in a bad mood, so she must have spoken to you rudely or the way you don't like. But don't judge her by what she just did. See, relax. Let's just calm down, okay? Calm down.
You need to see the way she spoke to me outside. She spoke to me with all manner of insults.
Okay, fine. On behalf of Rose, I say sorry. Sorry for everything she did to you now. She's in a bad mood, like I said before. Huh? Don't worry. We'll talk about that later. You just came in, you just vibrated. You didn't even greet me, you didn't even ask if I... Okay, fine, just go inside. Get something to eat. There's food in the kitchen. I said it's alright. Get something to eat. Go get your food. Do you mind if I join you? So why are you here in the cold? Are you alone? When you're supposed to be enjoying the moment inside?
If you do not mind, I would like to be left alone. I have an issue I need to sort out. I wouldn't be needing any distraction, not even from you.
On the contrary, this is not a place where you bring your troubles and issues to. But instead, you come here to ease your stress. So why is your case different?
Let's just say I'm a different breed. I am different. Now, would you like me to live my life the way I want, without you interfering in it?
That is the attraction there. You are a different breed. I want to be part of your problems. Will you let me in? I still don't know your name. Huh?
Seriously, this was fun, but I think I need to get going.
Oh, come on. You don't need to go.
Why?
Suddenly your company has become more interesting than the blasting music in the club. So if you don't mind, I would like to behold this beauty for some more hours.
My friends are waiting for me. I do not even care if I came with someone.
If you did, then that person just lost you.
I give up. I'm done. I'm done with you.
I like the sound of that. Waiter!
What's up, guys? Where are you guys?
I've been trying to call you, but your number has been unreachable. So I figured out that maybe you've gone back to the hotel. So we're already back to the hotel. Where are you? What's up?
Are you kidding me right now? Are you guys serious? Damn.
What's up?
They already left me.
Well, then I guess, my driver will drop you off in my hotel. Come on, Dad. You're safe with me. I'm a good guy. Okay?
Yeah, hello? Oh my goodness, God. Oh, okay, I'll be at the airport. Just hold on, you'll see me at the airport, please. In an hour. What have I gotten myself into? I mean, my life is already complicated. I am living in a web of lies which I've already told my fiancé. And here I am into another entanglement. Oh, Rose. I mean, how do I even get myself out of this mess? How?
Rose, when did you come back?
Oh, baby, you startled me. I came back some few minutes ago. How have you been?
Oh, yeah, I'm fine. Sorry for waking up on you. Yeah, just that I missed you so much.
I missed you too.
So because you were with your friends having fun, you decided not to check up on me.
Come on, babe, it's a girl's trip.
You left me alone all by myself.
I'm sorry, I missed you too.
Missed you. So sit down. So tell me, how did it go? Tell me everything that happened in your trip.
Baby, I can't tell you everything now. Like I said, it's a girl's trip. And I need to freshen up. I need to have some warm breaths. Seriously.
You're right.
Yes, I'm alright.
Okay. Alright, let's go inside and so you can take a shower. Let's go inside so you fresh. You just came here, you didn't even check up on me. You just sat down here like, what's going on? Babe. 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 Babe, are you in there? Babe. She left her earrings. I didn't even get her name. Wow. I had the best night, I must tell you. I don't know who you are or where you're from, but I promise you I will find you. I will find you.
Back to reality. Rose, I think you should get up and then forget and move ahead, you know. Remember, a mess up shouldn't last more than 24 hours.
The wife to be. Oh, hey, come here.
Welcome. Welcome, guys. Pause. Sit down. Welcome.
Okay. Someone seems to be in a better mood today.
And that's not a right thing, right?
Most definitely it is. Come on.
What's that look for?
Okay. Fine, I'm looking away.
Stop it now. What is wrong with you girls? Just stop it. Guess what, guys? We have a whole lot to talk about. Thank God you guys are here. I need to talk about so many things. But just before then, I need to get something that we can talk with. You just give me like 5 seconds. I'll be back.
Okay. See, we're happy. What's up new? Can you wear like she's in a good mood? Yeah. Let's wait to hear the gist. My ears are itching. I can't wait. Remember, now we will see. Of course, you know.
Why are you here in the cold? You're alone. When you're supposed to be enjoying the moment in time.
What's going on? Where is she? She said 5 seconds and now it's almost 30 minutes. She's nowhere to be found. I don't know. She's getting more weird day by day. But the question is, what is really wrong with her? How would I know? Anyway, let's just wait and see. Darling, I can't wait anymore. Let me go check on her. I'm worried. Okay. Just tell her to hurry up. I don't know what's keeping her. Are you okay? What's wrong? You've gone for so long, so I had to come check on you.
I've been gone for so long.
Yeah.
I am so sorry. I was actually on my way getting this, but I have a lot on my head, seriously, and it's really driving me nuts.
You have to relax. Yes. You don't have to think too much. I understand how the wedding planning, stress and all that can be. But darling, I want to know that I am here for you. We are here for you.
Thank you so much.
Always welcome.
What would I have done without you guys?
Oh, stop, please. Come on.
Thank you for what you do for me.
What are friends for? You're always welcome. Come on. Let me help you. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm back.
Yeah.
Right. Welcome, bro. Wow. Longest time. Once again.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Anyways, you know, I said let me just bring you to this place. I know it's not that 5-star, but just you can manage it for the now to find something better. You're welcome. Eyes are, but at the same time you can manage it.
Yeah, but it's alright. Thanks.
Yeah, tell me, so how's it been? How's it been?
Just chilling.
Look at you. Ever playing, boy? You know.
Joan, it is now very obvious and confirmed that something is troubling Rose. Yes. But what baffles me is why will she not open up to us, our friends?
Yeah, sure. Something truly is troubling Rose. I can attest to that. But I think everyone has a right to their own privacy.
Excuse me? What are you saying? Are you saying it is right for her to keep things from us? Breaking the sisterly code?
No! That's not what I'm saying.
Then what are you saying?
You just have to calm down first, okay? What I'm saying is, we just have to take it easy with Rose and not add more troubles to her. Let her handle things her own way and at her own pace.
Okay, fine. Just that I'm worried. I am.
You don't have to be worried. Let's just leave her be.
Before I choke, let's see. Oh wait, hold on. So you still have not changed. Wait, you're telling me you had a one-night stand with a girl you know nothing about, not even her name?
Sounds funny, right? Sounds like a scene cropped out from a movie, huh?
Hey, come on, you got that word from my mouth. Huh?
Well, I know absolutely nothing about this girl and have no idea where I can find her. But I still can't get her off my mind. You see, this girl is the most beautiful girl I have ever seen all my life. But I've got plans. After your wedding, I intend to set up a search party for this girl in Abuja. I'm very sure I'll find her. Very serious about it.
This is getting serious. Wait. I can see somebody's in love with a mystery one-night stand. For real?
You can say that again, man. You can say that again. Listen, bro.
Okay.
Enough about me. Let's talk about you.
What about me?
How's your wedding plans going? I mean, when do I get to meet your Mrs. Right?
Very soon. Just very soon. You see, I really do not like stressing her because she's fragile, you know. So, we're planning our wedding. We're doing everything for putting things together. For me not to stress her, I had to get 3 event planners to get our wedding ready. So all she's just doing is just trying to tell them what to do. Yeah, I need this, do it. I need this, do it. Oh, she's good.
Mr. Bombastic.
Mr.
Romantic.
Okay. Well, don't worry. I think I'll talk to her so she can get things ready for dinner. Probably we'll invite you to the house so you can do dinner with us. So I can do official introduction, introduce you to her, you get to meet her, to see the angel I'm getting married to. So don't worry. I'll give you the time and date when she'll be ready for that.
Please don't make me feel bad, man. Don't make me feel like I'm left out. Yes.
Wow.
The way you're saying all those things, I don't know how to feel at all.
Well, but I must tell you, wife to be, not your wife yet.
Hey, come on. You sound jealous. I don't get it. Wife to be also just one step ahead. And soon I'm going to be doing that. Pay her bride price, make her my wife. Moreover, what does married people do? Married men, married women do what they do. She lives in my house. I take care of her. I have access to her. So the only thing remaining is just for me to pay her bride price. Just that much. 21 naira and buy all the things. Hey, come on, I can still call her my wife, man.
You know, I think I have a way to find my mystery woman. My cupcake, like I fondly call her. Yes.
Okay.
She left me a souvenir.
Oh, hold on, sorry. Excuse me. Hello? Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Alright, I'm coming over. Yeah. Good. Bro, sorry, I got an emergency. Office call. So I have to be there to tidy up things. Once I'm done, I'll give you a call.
Not a problem. I'll just see you after the car.
Nice meeting you once more, bro.
And you keep meeting me every day.
Hi, babe.
Yeah, how are you?
Hi, baby.
How you doing?
I'm good. Welcome.
Uh-huh.
How are you?
I'm alright. So
Welcome home. How was your day?
I'm good. I'm good. So what are you doing?
I'm just working on the company some forums.
How? I don't understand. Don't tell me you've not done what I asked you to do. No? No, of course. We talked about this before. Don't tell me you haven't done it.
Baby, what you're asking me to do, it's a whole lot.
What? So you want us to start this all over again? I told you I have enough money to take care of you. I do not want my wife to start stressing herself because of peanuts. So I told you, stop that job. Okay?
Baby, I heard you. Why are you screaming?
I'm not screaming, but I'm
not going to sit down here and watch you disrespect me and my job. No, I won't. I do not want to be a housewife. I don't want to wallow under your hard work and sunning. I want to work for myself. I want to fend for myself.
I'm not ready to talk about this again, okay? Listen, so many women out there will be so happy to be in your position.
Really?
Yes!
Wow. So why don't you go and marry those women and let me be?
For real?
Because I am not going to put my job not for you or any man out there. I won't.
Oh! You called me just any man? Really?
I'm sorry if that's the way you say it. I'm just saying that I cannot quit my job, please. If you love me, you should try and understand.
I will find you very soon, my cupcake. And when I do, I promise you I will go to any length to make sure you are mine.
Well, it was at this point, now I must say, I don't mess up. To mess up is allowed, but allowing them know that you already messed up, now you be the real mess up. Rose don't ever mess up. After all, US and UK, that is summer abroad. Let me talk. Hello, Mom. Mom, how are you? Hi, stepdad. Mom, please, I need to know, when exactly are you coming back to the country? Because I am tired of shifting my wedding dates. Mom, come on. This is not, why are you always all about business all the time? This is your child's wedding we're talking about, your only child. You should make her time and come back to Nigeria. Mom, this is not fair. Business can wait. My happiness comes first. Okay, Mom, just try and make it. You need to be here as soon as possible. Please. Okay, Mom. Bye. Love you. Hi, babe.
Hi. What is it this time around? Babe, come on. Why don't you go on low-key wedding just like I have always suggested? Eh? In that case, we can go get your kinsmen to represent your mom and stuff.
Please, babe. Do not even go there one date. Why would you even think I'll allow you to get some kinsmen to represent my stepdad and my mother? I am all she's got. Please. Just a little more time. I'm really pressing pressure.
We've been waiting. Come on. How long are we going to continue to wait? We have shifted this wedding date for like 3 times. So what? Okay, now what day did she come? We don't have a date she's coming. So keep waiting and waiting.
Calm down. She will come. Why are you acting so paranoid?
I'm not. I have waited enough. And moreover, I want to have you.
You're raising your voice at me.
Alright. Sorry. Baby, come on. Relax. I don't want a situation I'll be telling my friends, my wife will tell me, come on, you're not married yet. And moreover, come on, you know everybody. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to lose you. I don't want to lose you. At least once I'm married to you, I know, okay, yeah, you're secured. You're not my wife. As far as I'm concerned, we're still dating, it's still courtship. It's not married yet. You're not answering my surname. Try to understand what I'm saying.
I can understand you. You don't need to swallow me up, babe. I'm on it.
Hey, what's up, Zola? What's good, bro? What's going on? Well, I'm fine. How's business? Oh, great. Oh, no, I'm not coming to the club today. I'm actually out of town. Yes. Well, listen, Zola, the reason why I called you is because, there's this girl I met in your club. I do not know her name, and I forgot to take her number. Alright? I think I've fallen in love with her, and I want to see her again. Well, she's tall, she's fair in complexion, and very attractive. Yes, I mean very, very attractive. Of course, you know Zola is the only man who knows his way around and knows all the happening babes in town. Abuja is your town, I mean. You know what I'm talking about. You what? Zola. You seem to have forgotten the kind of man I am. Listen, I'm serious about this, okay? So I want you to send me your account number so I send you your mobilization fee immediately. Good. Thank you very much. I'll be waiting to hear from you. Great. Bye.
I don't know why you wouldn't listen. when I'm talking to you.
Oh. Hi, Kelvin. Hey, babe.
How are you?
Hi.
Kelvin, my wife is greeting you and you're ignoring her. Why?
Which wife?
What do you mean, which wife?
I can't see any wife here. All I see here is a self-sabotaging bitch.
What?
Excuse me. Listen, Kelvin, I can understand that you were angry with me about what happened the other day. But come on, you don't have to insult me. I am not a bitch. I am your brother's wife. And I'm truly sorry for whatever that happened. But no matter what, you should have called me some respect. I deserve it.
Respect is earned, yes.
Hey, guys, come on, stop it.
Stop it, okay? What was all this? Huh? You have eyes, but you can't see. Don't you know that this girl is pretentious? Huh? She's a snake under the green grass.
Hey, Kevin, enough. Stop it. Okay? Listen, I don't know the grudges you have against her. But listen, Rose is a sweetheart. She's a good girl. Come on, respect her. If not for anything, for your brother's sake.
Baby, you know what? I can't stand this. Your brother cannot walk into my matrimonial home to insult me. You should go.
Bro, I hope when your eyes open, you will know what I'm talking about.
Wow. Nice one.
Huh? Babe. Rose.
Yeah, yes, babe. Baby. It's okay. Just, okay, I'll just give you some time.
Yeah, what's up, bro? What's up, nigga? What's up? Look at you.
Man, look at this. This is big, bro. Hey. This is massive.
Hey,
just go, look at this. Oh boy, what's in this?
Hey, take it easy.
Edifice.
Come inside, bro. Come inside. You're welcome.
Man, this is big.
house.
This is big, man. Nice one. Thank you.
Come
Man.
Yep. Welcome to my little soup.
Brian, what? This is big. This guy
just
there pretending, huh? Wow!
Oh yeah, this is the sitting room I have, yeah? Right, let me show you around. Come on. Come on, what is it?
Please show me. Why you see everywhere?
What? Yeah, this is
Babe.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. Come.
Wow.
Have a seat.
Brian, you're doing so well.
Thank God for everything.
Damn.
It's okay. Yeah, so tell me, any luck in finding your mystery girl?
My cupcake. Patience. Patience is key. One thing I assure you is I am going to find this girl. I will do whatever it takes to find her. Trust me.
I like your faith. I like that courage.
Hey,
Yeah, babe, come. Yeah, meet my friend. Ronga, meet my wife. Finally, you.
Hey.
Are you alright?
Yes, hi. Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm Ruga.
Rose.
Nice to meet you.
So,
What is it? Baby, I think I'm having running stomach. I need to use the restroom. And the table is already set. Okay? I'll join you guys soon.
hurry up and join us. Okay? Oh, yeah. No, women with their slobs. Alright, let's go to the diner and eat something.
Yes.
Hey, come on.
The dining, yes.
Alright, let's do justice to this food.
Hello, babes. Please, I need to see you guys. It is urgent. Just come over to the house. I'll tell you when you get here. Please. Okay. I'll be waiting.
Yeah. Hope you enjoy the food.
But I must tell you, that meal was sumptuous. Thank you so much, bro.
Yeah. See, Rose is not just a good cook.
She's very faithful, caring, and hardworking. Really?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I see that written all over her. She is. She must be. You're lucky, my man.
Thank God for meeting her. For bringing her.
Hi.
Hi. I thought you left. I never knew you were still around.
No, we just finished eating. Because we need to do the food. Oh, yes, he's still here. He was singing so much praises about the food you cooked. And I told him, wait until she cooks unugbu soup for you to eat.
Well, I must tell you, the food was great. Thank you very much.
Thank you, babe. I think I need to use the restroom.
Again?
Yeah, I don't get it. I don't know what I eat.
Alright.
Okay.
Try and get some medication and take her.
Okay.
Listen, man, I just remembered I had a lot to do before I came here. So I need to go take care of business, okay? I will come again to see you.
Oh, let me get the car keys, so I'll drop you on there.
Is that necessary?
You want just to check? You want to? I come out, drop you. Wait for me. Wait on.
It's alright, bro. It's alright.
What are you doing here? Listen, you have to leave right now.
Why? Why did you leave the hotel the way you did the other day? I have been searching for you everywhere since that night.
Searching for me? For what? I am engaged, soon to be married to your friend.
I think you skipped that information the night we had fun together.
I was drunk. And I would wish you not to speak about that night again.
How?
Just move on.
How do you expect me to move on? Well, that night is the best night I have ever had in my life.
You don't get it, do you? I was drunk. It was a mistake. It wasn't supposed to be done. Yes,
Why are you lying to yourself? I know you missed that dick.
Can you stop it? Are you dumb or what? I just told you it was a mistake. Stop talking about that night. I do not want to hear about it. Don't you understand it? I was drunk. It wasn't supposed to be so. But it happened. It was a mistake. A huge mistake for me. I have a wedding at hand, you know.
It was a blessing to me.
Do you mind leaving my house right now, or else you will see the other side?
Else?
What?
You told me. Else what? Tell me you missed my dick.
Listen, just stop it.
You missed that big, rugged pipes, yeah?
Hey! Mama, hold on, stay there, Mama. No, they promised me that rubbish. I don't like it. Don't stop doing this thing. Mama, see, I tell you, I'm a very big girl now. Tell me, you know, they do this kind of thing. Every time I told you, call my sister on the phone. Call my sister on the phone. And tell my sister, I want to come to the city to see my sister. You know, green, call my sister. You they deceive me. This I know, I be small picking. You say I'm me, your son told yesterday. I'm a big girl now, Mama. A big girl. Something. What is your problem? Let me ask you. Why are you behaving like this? Your sister told me that she's coming to this village to pick you. I mean, she wants to take you by herself to the city. And you are behaving like this. Hey! Heaven and earth. God wait there for heaven. My mama is still lying at this her old age. My mama is a liar. Mama, the kingdom of God say the kingdom of God suffereth violence, and the violent one taketh it by force. Now I take my things violently from your hand. So Mama, I will not stay in this house with you. Now only you go there here, and they go Asaba. Something. So, kingdom of God taketh it violent, because no again by force, and then you want to take it by force on me. Something. Who are you going to leave me with in this whole house? So you want me to stay alone? You want me to stay all alone in this house? And why do they talk like this? Mama, why are you emotionally blackmailing me? It's not good. This thing they do no good. Now bad thing. So you want me to suffer with you, die for this house, for this big house alone at my age? You know, Mama, go city, go help my life, Mama. Is that what you are saying? Mama, you are wicked. I will not go try her, Mama. I will not go try. Stop, come here. Stop, come here. Only you won't catch me. I think you won't catch me. Stop, now only you go dead this house, Mama. I dey go Asaba. Sitting here, I come. I dey go sitting now. You cannot stop me. You cannot stop. Come back here. Hey! So, some Tochukwu now is giving me an adage. The children of God suffer violence. So this girl wants to leave me, her own old mother, all alone in this compound. I'm a big girl now. Big. Hey! We shall see. Come back here, oh! Come back here, some Tochukwu. Rose! What is it? Are you okay? I'm okay. We should start. I have a lot on my head right now. But why are you guys late? I've been waiting for you guys.
I'm sorry. It was the traffic. I'm sorry, the traffic.
What traffic? I asked you guys to come a long time ago. If you were here, I'm sure I would have averted so many things.
We are sorry.
Of course, you're always sorry whenever you're late. I mean, you guys are always coming late, right?
At least we are here now.
So, what is it about?
I don't understand.
I beg of us something to drink. What is wrong?
Let me just get something that we drink. I mean, I can't order my friends to come and see me again without having something to discuss about.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm coming, guys.
It was a blessing to me.
Do you mind leaving my house right now, or else you will see the other side?
Else? What? You tell me. Else what? Tell me you missed my dick.
Listen, just stop it.
You missed that big, rugged pipes, yeah?
This boy, you will never change.
How the hell do you want me to change?
Okay, now, no problem, no problem. Alright, so tell me, what about that your mysterious girlfriend?
Oh, well, I'm over her now. Yes, it was just a one-night stand. I've got other people.
God. May God have mercy on my friend.
Of course, yes, and also grant me my heart desire.
Your heart desire.
Yeah.
Bad
So
guy.
please,
I
listen.
knew it. I knew it was going to end like this. You. Okay, one day you meet your match.
Me? Please, let's talk about business.
Okay.
So, what about the property you told me about the other day?
Oh, yeah, they finally called me, I think, 3 days ago. And, yeah, the agent said the owner is ready to sell finally. And he also called me that there is one other property in Lekki. Yeah, in Lekki. So I'm just trying to put some money together so I can go get them.
Put money together. Why don't you let me buy this one so that the other ones that come out you can buy?
Oh, you're interested?
Oh, of course I am.
All right, no problem. When I'm done buying it, I'll sell for you. Look at you. Thank God you don't even have their number. I know you would have boycott me and go get that.
No, I wouldn't do that to you.
You won't buy it.
I won't do that to you.
When I'm done with that business, I will sell some parts for you.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
Welcome.
Good afternoon, bros.
Afternoon. All right. One do yours. How much?
I dey look for my sister.
You dey look for your sister.
How
your sister?
My sister, Obegeli, she tall, she fair well. It remains small, he escape Abino. You know why? When my mama born her, he collect all the yellow wey dey my mama body. Come out, come leave small yellow for me. I no come yellow again. Now so my sister dey wicked dey go, but no, I come here ask where she dey.
How? I don't understand. Your sister no tell you where she dey stay for here?
Where be this place?
Na Asaba be this now.
No, Asaba be my sister house now.
This is Asaba now. Open am for Asaba now you dey like this.
But I no understand you. I no understand
Me
you.
too, I don't understand you.
When I come up from village, I tell my mama say I dey go my sister house, and my sister house na Asaba. Cause na Asaba my sister say be house. So I don't come Asaba. So now my sister house, I say take me to my sister house. Where my sister?
I cannot take you to your sister house. This is Asaba State. Now inside of Panam now we dey now.
Asaba for Delta State. Inside the Opanam now we dey like this. Opanam. So your sister supposed to tell you say now this side that they stay for Opanam or now this side that they stay. It's supposed to tell you now. Have you not tell them before you start to come out?
I not tell her. I say make I surprise them.
Hey. You know tell your sister say you they come. You want surprise them. Hey, I'm sorry, your sister don't surprise you with that. Ha! I want for you. You don't take risk, you.
Hey, Kevin, listen. I will not have you call me on the phone and speak rubbish about my fiancé. Don't even try it anymore.
Hey, baby. Are you okay? You're not fine. You need to calm down, whatever it is. You look so upset.
Now, when I wait till they talk since you.
Who you be? Who you dey find?
Bros, I don't tell you how many times. I say that my sister come as about come find.
Wait, you dey find your sister. You come Asaba, come find your sister. You dey find person where you don't know where in they stay.
Now my sister na Asaba na in the house.
Yeah, in Asaba. Which particular place in Asaba?
I don't know now. My sister tell me say he stay in Asaba. I come up from my village, come find my sister for Asaba. Asaba be stay in my sister's house.
You don't know see where you dey, no good. You go find person come Asaba, you don't know where she dey stay. You find her come Asaba. Do come they come up for here. Which one be say you find person come Asaba, you don't know where she dey stay? Have you not get anybody with feel or any trace how want to see your sister?
Okay. Bros, none of body over hot. I get my sister phone number, I get your old phone number.
Call her now.
I no get phone, bring your phone, we'll take call her.
No, I give her that.
I give her that your small phone. Which kind of person is this one?
I no carry on.
I think.
Oga, call her by yourself. 080 000.
That person number you close to?
No, my sister number. You don't write 080.
I don't write that.
000.
Oh, again?
30 first before.
Okay, they go.
I put another 000. 0 again. Before 222.
222. Show us now. Which line be this?
I don't know the line. Wait, Michael. 080 000 222.
My person phone number be this.
I just start. Wait till I count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I beg you, call her for her.
Brother, make I try now.
Hey.
See people they drive.
Hello?
See people they drive better.
Hello, madam.
Yes, hello. Auntie Nani! Sister Nani! What? That's not Chuku. I just city. I just for your Saba for your house. Where? How? That's two robbers Naomi. Two brothers Naomi. No, listen, calm down, relax, please. Can you let me talk to the owner of the phone, please? Under the umbrella. Yes. Hello? Man, give her phone.
Hello, madam. She dey up on her road, back of NTA. If you just enter that road, you go see where they sell beans and plantain. One woman where they sell beans and plantain. Beside I go see a small POS umbrella there. There she dey.
Tell her say I dey with you now. Dey with me.
She dey here with us.
Yes, I know the place. I am coming right away, please. Okay, see you.
Rose, what is it? Rose!
My sister.
Which kind of person you be? You just find person come as I don't know where the person is.
Don't worry, no fear. If my sister come now, I go give you something. But this one I don't give me now. My sister go give you something. Because I know say my sister na better person, a big woman.
We dey wait for her now.
Okay.
wait for me to come.
Hey, my sister! My sister be this. Attention, my sister be like, but you don't have something you expect of you.
Madam, your sister don't get brain. You just come as Saba saying they find you. You know that Saba gets places for Saba.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. And she don't be able to send this. She don't say she don't happy. Person the love still dey happy on top. What is your worry for? Sister, I tell her say you go be the sister. Thank you, my sister. I'm big woman. My sister, I'm big woman. I dey tell her, I don't know if I be big woman, sister. Papa treat me well, let me better too.
Thank God, say come and sit.
Thank you. What is your age? Can you do this? Wait. Calm down. Jesus. God, you have been smelling in that car. This text from you can kill even a poor rat. Kilo Shele. See, you are leaving this house first thing tomorrow morning. Back to where you came from. Sister, this thing is not good. Sister Begele, why are you talking to me like this? My name is not Obegele. My name is Rose. What did I say? Rose. If my husband or any of his members of his family find out that my name is Obegele, I will kill you. Do you understand me? First thing tomorrow morning, I will give you 100,000. You go back to your mouth. Go back and take care of her. Don't come back to the city. Don't ever show your face this place again with that stench from you. So that is the vagina smell. Let us go. I said the name is Rose. What did I say? Rose. Oh, Rose. I don't know say Rose. It's Rose. Hey, baby. Hey, babe.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Hope everything is okay. You ran off.
Sorry, I went to pick a distant relative of mine. This is Som Tochukwu and she'll be staying with us for the night. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, your house is very beautiful. How cool? So to pick it back this one. I'll be right back, babe. This way, I'll show you. If you like, they look me, you know go fit see me finish. Since I call this after you look me. Don't like that for them to look me, you know go fit see me finish. You reject you. Raz! Mwazi bu onye ala nke obe, onye ala ndo. Ifeoma bu onye ala nke obe, onye ala. Mwazi bu onye ala nke obe, onye ala ndo. Mwazi bu onye ala nke obe.
How are you?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Are you the girl that came yesterday with my fiancé?
Yes, sir, it's me.
Sorry about yesterday. I was so down, so I could not. Wow. Nice one. Nice one. Good work. Everywhere is sparkling. You must be hardworking. Huh? Nice one.
Thank you very much, sir. I did hard working well for my village. Everybody know that. But it's my pleasurable for the thing where you tell me. My pleasurable.
Pleasurable.
My pleasurable, sir.
Anyways.
What's going on here?
Oh, babe.
Hi, babe.
How are you? How are you doing? Yeah, I was just... you can see her. Yeah, I was just commending her. Can't you see everywhere is sparkling? She's so hardworking. See, even the girl we paid, we employed to come and do this job, is not even doing the way she's doing it.
Hey, everybody wey dey this city, una I just dey up. Nobody I dey down. I can't wonder when I come this house, we see na house scatter. I don't walk, so tey I don't tire.
No, but what she's trying to say is that she's leaving today. Actually, her mother is very sick in the village, so she needs to go and respond to the mother in this.
Hey, come on, babe. Stop. Don't be uptight. Huh?
I'm not. Something that's what they're trying to say, right?
Just allow her. Relax. She just came in. Allow her to enjoy herself. Relax. She just came in. Don't allow her to enjoy the free breeze in the city. So, see, relax. You want to go to the village? Relax and enjoy yourself. So that when you go back to the village, relax now, chill. She doesn't want to go. Allow her to stay. Enjoy, eat food, freshen up, so that when you go back to the village, people will know that yes, you came to the city.
Oh my God! Excuse me, are you crazy? Are you not? Did I just say you said my guy on my fiance?
Wait, this is unbelievable.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Are you mad? Are you crazy?
Rose.
Is something wrong with you?
Rose! What has come over you?
What are you trying to do? Will you take your tacky wacky ass off my... Get up! Get up from this place! Get up! Get up! Come on, pick this rubbish! Pick it up! What nonsense!
No, Rose, that was so rude. Haba!
Who was so rude? I don't understand. Is it that you guys are not seeing or can't you see the stupid, dirty loaf of bread she came into the parlor with? Oh, you were expecting me to just be calm and watch her stain my cushion with her tea buttocks.
You should have just spoken to her, communicate with her like a normal human being. I thought you said she was a relative.
Oh, please. Distant relative. Very, 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 very long distant relative. What is the meaning of this? No, what is this? Are you guys attacking me or what? And what are you doing?
You're not blind, aren't you? I'm leaving. Hold on. I'm going with you. You learn some manners. Come on.
Come back. We're not even done with the discussion. Hi. Scared us with a punchy. Somebody! Thank God, though. She thinks she gets sense. As her friend discharged from the other side, me too. I in charge to this place. She don't know say I hide for under step. With you. So though, I didn't know you were around. See, I was trying to remove something from his eyes. That I was trying to pluck it out. Pluck it.
Okay, yes. It's true, I can see it. You're plucking it. Continue, it's very nice.
No!
Plucking it.
You see, you came out to what? Go and sit down. Yes, see what? Just put whatever you want to put. Yes, you were about leaving.
Yes, I just.
Yes. I'll tell him. Okay. Somto. Oh, baby.
Hi, babe. How are you?
Hi. Welcome.
How you doing?
I'm fine. You came back so early. Oh,
Yes, I saw Roga outside.
okay.
And I decided to come inside to talk to you.
Wow, okay. Sit down.
Yes. Roga will be staying with us for now until we fix another wedding date.
What?
Yes. He has no place to stay. We have to accommodate him.
Wahala be like pepper soup. Pepper, they fly everywhere. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
You don't see your remote for ourselves. Then give me your remote. Let me make it for you. It's no problem. Well, sir.
Soto,
Sir,
please you help me arrange that situation. Okay?
it's all right.
Say it up. Roga will be using it for now.
Okay? You say who?
He said Ruka will be using the room for now. Don't you understand it?
Sister. Macho.
So me. Hey, my love. Where are you going to with your bag again now? Hey?
Hey. So now I don't be so me. So me. So now I am not so me. When you were calling me that I'm a dirty girl, that I'm a village champion, you're calling me local girl. Now I'm not your so me.
God forbid. You're not a village champion. You're not a local girl at all. Me said it how? Okay. See, I'm sorry for the way I might have been treating you all this while. Hey? Forgive me. You are my blood now. You are my blood.
You want to touch me again?
I beg. Sorry. No verse. You're my blood. You are my sister. One blood tie us together. I beg.
So now you know say blood tie us together. I don't they go back to that village where you talk to make I go. You tell me to make more for your house since so I won't come out. I don't they go.
No, wait. See, you can stay in the house for as long as you want. My home is your home. My house is your house.
I they go.
I beg now.
Where your husband? I want to check something.
My husband came. What are you doing with my husband again? Please now, I'm sorry. See, this house, in fact, you can stay as long as you want to stay. My home is your home. Let me help you.
Don't help me carry my bag. Leave her. I want to see your husband. Go take one check. Just come go see your husband. I want to see your husband.
You need to leave. I mean, why would you even accept this offer in the first place? Couldn't you have said no?
You know, this is not the right way to welcome your visitor. And of course you cannot deny the fact that my touch is irresistible.
In your wildest dreams. The wildest of them all.
This will be fun.
Be my guest.
So what can... Hey.
Oh, hi. Sorry, I was, is Rose in? I was calling her, but she's not picking.
Well, she stepped out, yes.
Okay, I was just passing by just to drop by. Okay, I'll come some other time.
It's alright.
Thank you.
Take care. Yo, where the hell are you? I told you I had a meeting by 10, so what's keeping you, bro? What's up? Yo, listen, man, I don't want to be late. Alright? Hurry up.
Sorry. I heard you making a call. You're calling your cab. Do you mind if I drop you off?
Are you sure about this?
Very sure, please.
Alright, then I'll just go inside, get some stuffs, and then we head out.
Okay.
Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so I know the other time I went back to the States, somebody had a fuck,
Wow.
And yeah.
Really, you're not really looking bad.
Oh, really?
Oh,
They call me
wow.
Beto.
Oh, really?
Oh, Beto.
Oh my God. I was trying to ask you when are you coming back? Oh my God.
Shoo. POS.
Something. What did you just do? Something. Are you not aware I was watching a program right before you came into this place to change it?
Is that why you are shouting at me? Why you dey shout now?
Are you not? Are you mad? Are you sick in the head? Have you lost your sense of timing or what? No, what gave you the guts, the temerity, the panache to change my station?
What I know be say I won't watch film now.
It seems you have grown wings in this house. You no longer know your place, right? I am going to surprise you by cutting off those wings of yours immediately.
Ha! Well, Chimo, if you speak English finish, you go rest. Now what I know. Mind yourself.
Let me have the remote.
Which remote? Which remote?
So let me have the remote.
Hey! You want to try the remote with me?
Let me have the remote.
Hey, come and try it now. Come and collect it. Come and.
Hey, what's the problem again? How are you?
A wonderful one at that, trust me.
Oh, I see. This is strange.
What is strange?
Come on, what do you mean what is strange? It's 6 p.m. and you're not watching your program.
Oh, baby, I was just about going upstairs to go and watch it.
Hey!
Upstairs?
Yes, upstairs.
But that is not where you normally watch your program.
Ha!
You like watching it here because the screen is bigger and you have a better sound here. So why
August-
going upstairs?
August,
I am talking to my husband to be. I changed my mind, baby. I want to watch it upstairs with you whilst I give you a good massage for the stressful day. It's your heart.
Okay. No,
So-
your wish is my command.
Shall we?
Alright.
Oga,
What is it? What?
I want to tell you
I want to tell you something.
Oga. This is strange. Yes, it's strange. So Obegere dey lie. As if they lie give this man, they look this man face to face. Obegere is saying lies. And when I remember that time when they go confession for church that time, but that same one no dey talk lie. Our Begeri follow the beat me that time say do not say lie. But now Begeri na liar. Obi the liar. Hey. They check the door. The thing they do like magic. Now American door. Good afternoon. Who you dey find?
Good afternoon. I'm looking for my brother Brian.
You dey look for your brother Brian. Your brother Brian. Now you find. Leave where you go. Wait for the come. You work out finish from wherever you are coming from. You can't look for your brother Brian. They tell you say that they sell Brian for this house. Who do they sell Brian? Here na people house. My sister house. Like me.
Is my brother in Brian?
What can you do?
Brian.
Eh?
I'm looking for my brother, Brian.
Brian!
Yes.
That man, Ghana. Nothing for talk. You did you don't say, man, I'm a Brian. I say, it's a cannot call you. I come like brain. Good afternoon, sir.
He's your brother.
Now your brother?
Yes.
You can't keep this kind of hair. This kind of hair with the thing they do a assassin. You come like say, because your brother here, you want to brush you, hold on. A person has to be enter, not the rush. I don't know, you just they come. Calm down. Hold on. Just they follow me. If they move, you follow me. Just they come. No, small, beg. No rush me. I mean, you want to me back.
This is my brother's house.
I know, you want to me back. The way they follow me for back. No, calm down, small. They come. Hold on. They hold on, make I go tell them. You say that.
Bro.
Say no now.
Kelvin, bro, what are you doing in my house?
Are you serious? You are my brother. I can come to your house whenever I want.
And you lost it the day you started disrespecting my wife.
Which wife? You are not married to her yet. No. Because I told you the truth, that is why you are shedding tears. No. You are not married to her. You know I'm telling you the truth.
Now leave my house.
I should leave your house.
I said get out of my house now.
Don't say I did not warn you.
Kelvin, leave if I push you.
I should
leave. I said leave!
All right.
Sorry, sir. I mistake. Let's everybody with the city don't call you. No be how you, my sister, just dey shout for me. She's speaking English, they insult me. I look at her and say, get out of here. Get out! I say, what? Now me, my sister, they speak big English. Now her husband still there. He face his brother. They tell him say, get out. All these people get wicked mind for this city. They are saying that the same chemical my sister and my husband they take. Let the boy too get out. With the kind of way he can say people as I open door, that's how they feel now.
Dad, are you serious?
Daddy. Oh, the fight. Dad, I already sent them to your email. Oh, for real? Already done working on them? That I'm not surprised. Because you're a workaholic. Yeah. Oh, what problem? Okay, Dad, don't. Alright, I've heard you, Dad, don't worry, okay? I'll do my own investigation and I'll get back to you. Alright.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hey, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. So I said, may I tell you say your food done, do you can shop?
I can shop. Have you told Madam that the food is ready?
Hey, sorry, madam.
Yes.
She dey upstairs. She tell me say she don't want to follow you eat. Tell me you eat alone. Say she know dey follow you dey chop, she go chop alone.
Ah,
Yes.
she don't want shop.
She no wan shop. She wan chop alone.
Alright, since she don't want shop, well, I'm coming to come and shop.
Okay, sir.
Alright, thank you. Thank you for the food. Anyways.
So I beg, no vex for this thing. What I want to tell you, me no vex for me. I beg.
No, I'm not angry. Continue, say it.
I come closer. Sir, now about this thing where you and your brother they do, as now they quarrel, no good. You know, say as one family now supposed to be united, not supposed to live in bondage, but now they live out of bondage and no good. The thing they pay me. I gather moral, say make I tell you by force, make you understand. You no good. Change your ways, for there's no time.
Thank you very much for the advice. Thank you. And at the same time, let me give you my own advice. But please, next time, any issues you know nothing about, don't even interfere. No, like anything when it happen, when you don't know the beginning, the genesis, how it starts, not chook your mouth inside. For your own advice.
I'm sorry, sir.
No, I'm not angry. You gave me an advice and I'm returning back to you.
Sir, tell me, I drop my leg if you know the verse for me. For my village, person the verse, they use one leg stand to tell me.
No, you don't need to drop the leg. Use the one leg to go inside.
No, you don't tell me say my drop her. Sorry, sir. No try. Sorry.
What are you doing with my two pieces? These are my clothes. Why are you wearing them?
You no get the time where I wear two pesos. You no get. Now me just see this clothes. I like and say that your clothes. Now I wear them from my distance. So is there anything wrong with
Are you mad? No, are you mad or something? Are you okay?
You dey cost me your sister. You open your mouth, they cost me. You supposed to ask yourself that question. You are the one who is mad. You are supposed to ask yourself that question.
Subto, I have had enough of your exercises. At this point, I feel like strangling you.
Wait. Now me now you dey talk to like that. Me now you dey talk to. You open your mouth, they insult me, your sister. Say nonsensical attitude.
Subto, did you just clean those retarded, disgusting nostrils of yours on my two-piece? My talking where?
This one are talking where this one are about the way you're by, you're the talk. The China popling. This I never seen many people when they been from our village. I don't mind what rubbish. And they put anything. You
know what? Yes. Go back into that place, that room, pick up your things and leave my photos out immediately. Get out!
May I cut that for you?
You help me.
No problem. When I go pack my things, and you do fast pack your own things. How many luggage you get?
Excuse you?
Excuse you, wait. You say make I pack, now more they go village. So if I dey go, you go follow me go. Except you want make I go meet your husband. I was gonna say, husband man, sir, I see your wife when he was kissing that brother. Go carry dada. I don't go just tell her what I see. Now just this thing I will not tell her. You go use the head to understand. That's all. Where do you go now? Oh, you don't keep quiet. You get sense. You know person want to miss you. Me, I don't go park or park or no waste time. Me, I only want to miss my time.
What are you doing here?
For how long, Rose? For how long will you keep avoiding me like this?
As long as it takes me to make you understand that you need to leave me the hell alone, that is how long it's going to last.
I can't understand that. I miss you so much. I miss everything. I miss our good times. I miss how we make love. Don't tell me you don't miss how I do it.
I don't. And henceforth I forbid you to talk to me like that. What the hell is your problem? I mean, what in the green world is going through your senses?
Well, unfortunately, I can't.
Well, that's your deal, not mine. Don't touch me.
Fine, I understand. What about one last ride? Just you and I promise you I will let you be. One last time.
Are you even listening to yourself at all? Brian is around. What if he walks in on us?
I don't care.
What if we get caught?
I don't fucking care. I just want you. Please, Rose. Don't you understand? I want you so much. I can't live without you. Please. Please, baby. My cupcake.
Baby, I mean, do you really have to go there? Can't you send someone?
No, I can't. Because Dad instructed me to do this assignment by myself. He warned me special and told me, make sure you do it yourself. So I have to go.
I'm going to miss you.
I know.
And I'm going to be bored.
I'll miss you too. But don't worry, I won't be long. At the same time, you have people in the house that will keep you busy.
Oh, please. People in the house, they are not you. It is you that I want.
Yeah. Don't worry. Smile. I won't be long.
Promise.
Promise. Listen, don't worry. So where's my bag? You ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
You want to bam bam? You want to chew with the big boy? Tell me the wrong to the wrong kata you know to drink kata drunk up there, man. You tell me I don't know. I'm here. That's man. Bro, welcome. Come inside. Come. Bros, why you can't stand like log of wood? Sit down now.
I'm not here to sit down. I don't need my brother's problem. I'm here to drop off something.
Your brother? But no fear, your brother travel. You know, come back today.
Okay, all right then. I have to take my leave now.
Bros, come, bros, come. About the last time, when your brother shout for you, I bet no verse, yeah? No be better thing, no verse.
It's not your fault, thank you.
Bros, to tell you the truth, when you come out, I shout for bros the next day. I say brother and brother supposed to live in bondage, not out of bondage. You can't look me. But I understand, say, you understand what I do talk.
Thank you. And what is your name? What is your name?
My name? And that's some Tochku. But you can call me Tomato.
Oh, you are the new house help.
God forbid.
You are the new help.
No. Yeah. I be sister. Obiageli sister.
Sister Obiageli. Who is Obiageli?
Sorry, no mistake. I'm nah, but something like that. Na mistake. I dey come. I'm coming. I beg. I dey come.
Sister Obiageli. Could she be talking Rose?
Ooh, I've missed this house. Trust me. It has been so empty without you.
And I've missed you too, darling.
So where's mom and dad?
Those love lovers. They are fine. In fact, while I was coming, they were even planning to travel to Dubai for vacations.
It is not needed. I talked to my mom a few days ago. She was talking about going to UK for some vacation, 3 months or so. You know now, all these people.
Let them enjoy themselves and have fun. Besides, it's their money anyways. So.
What do I say?
And how is Rose? Don't tell me you're still mad at her.
Oh no, just stop. Don't even get me angry. I'm not mad at her anymore. No, trust me, I'm not.
Sure.
Of course. I even stopped by at the house the other day. I'm serious.
Hey girls!
Ooh.
Oh my God.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my dear.
Have you been?
Just there.
I was just telling her I stopped by your house the other day, but you're not around.
Really, you came to my house?
But I did.
You know the words, you're no longer angry with me.
No, stop it, I'm not.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I know.
Well, girls, it's been a very hectic period for me. Very, very hectic. You know, considering the fact that my wedding has been postponed 3 times in a row, it's driving me nuts. Just because my mother cannot return from abroad yet. Then putting it down to me, quitting a job that I have passion for. Guys, my emotions these days has been a roller coaster, trust me.
Oh, you just have to calm down, okay? You know now.
I can't wait.
I've missed us.
Me too. I used to get so much. Then please serve me drink. I'm a guest.
She's a guest.
Not she's a guest.
Take care of your guest. I'm just coming back.
I don't understand you. She said she's a guest. Go and serve her. Hi. Hello. Sure you know who's talking, yeah?
Of course I know who's speaking.
I was probably thinking we could go out together to see a movie and have a lunch. What do you say about that?
Well, I would have loved to, but unfortunately I'm very busy at the moment, okay?
It's okay. I understand. Okay, some other time then.
Please, I'll talk to you later. I have to go now.
What's that?
Nobody important. How are you?
Then I tell my village you go say I don't make her. But okay. Tell which one you learn.
Hello, Mama. Hey, how are you, my daughter?
Mama, I told you that I will make it in life.
Eh? You want to send me some money? Hey! Onye Kambo. Eh? So you are now a big girl in the city.
I used to tell you, but you don't to believe. You see yourself. Mama, shame I tell you. Eh? Hello, Mama. I've made it too. I came to Asaba and I made it in life, Mama. See, let me tell you. I'm going to. Where's the Obioma? Tell Obioma to send her account number. I will send you 10,000 naira tomorrow morning through her account number. I've made it. I know that, Mama, you are even jealous for me, but God will shame you last.
How is your sister Obi?
Which person? Mama, hold on. You see Auntie Obi again? Auntie Obi is very wicked. She has changed to vampire, Mama.
God forbid. God forbid again. I mean, God forbid it.
She used to shout. She used to insult me, Mama. She's telling everybody that I'm at distance. Further adjective relationship.
Obi said that to you.
Mama, I'm telling you the truth. Auntie Obi have changed. She's no longer the child you born. You have changed. Maybe they changed her in the hospital when you born her. Then they now say is when she big, the spirit start manifesting. Mama, I'm not lying now. It's the truth I'm telling you. Obi is wicked now. Okay, if you think I'm a lie, go and confirm for yourself. No problem.
Okay. Okay, don't worry. Ngwan. How could Obiageli say that to her sister? Her only sister. But I don't think Sonto will lie about such a thing. This cannot be one of her tricks she always played. No. Sonto loves her sister very much. She wouldn't have said such a thing if Obiageli did not say it. I have to call her. I'll call Obiageli. Obiageli, pick. Nemo, Abi, my daughter, how are you? How is everybody? How is your sister Somto? I hope she's not giving you any problems. She's not troubling you so much. My daughter, please, I want you people to love each other. You people should live in peace. So you are the only children that I have. I don't have any other child. It's only both of you. Please, you people should live in peace. Own them.
Where are you? Huh? Hey, good afternoon. Good afternoon, sister. Good afternoon. You say what? I dey watch TV. As I watch the TV skip my mind. Phew, the people they fight. I said, why did they fight? Hey, thank you. God bless you.
I never give you the money. I'm not done talking. Sometimes you need to keep quiet and listen. Take this money to the market. Buy me vegetable and then fish. Most importantly, I want crayfish and what they call cletus.
Cletus?
Yes, cletus.
Sister, Obiageli, the only person I know baby cletus, na cletus with our village, and you know they call cities. Are
you alright? Just go to the market and tell them to give you cletus. And please start going now. Hurry up, because I need to make food. I am damn hungry. And that reminds me, make sure you spend the whole money you're holding. As a matter of fact, do not come back if you do not see the cletus.
You're laughing. I'm going to pretend I watch TV. She go to say, I do know something. Cletus.
I sent something to the market.
I will pray this here today. Showing my sister will hear word. It's in the ring.
I need to check this out too. Why are you pressing the house bell like that?
Okay, the thing that it not bell be this thing.
It's bell, if you...
Hey, I don't know, it dey ring. I don't know say the ring. I don't verse, I beg. And sister, I can't say make I tell you, I don't understand this Cletus where you send me.
Something. When you get to the market, tell them to give you Cletus. Cletus. Depending on what you call it. What did you call it for them?
Cletus.
Cletus. Cletus.
Cletus. Cletus. Okay, no problem.
No. This way.
No, sister, rent it for I say make I
go
just
order
inside
the rain and
wait.
get me Cletus.
My sister say make I go under the rain go buy Cletus because of man. Because of man, my sister is sending me to a journey of no return. No problem. Because say he won't do bad thing. No be my man they go hear wetin they want do. Cletus because of man. No problem. Cletus.
Who's that?
My goodness God, it is Soto. I sent her to the market to get something for me, only for her to come back and tell me she could not find Cletus. Can you imagine?
What kind of nonsense is that now?
My heart skipped for a minute.
Me too. By the way, what is Cletus?
Never mind.
I talk am say Rosa they do something with that good for nothing man. Hey, some Tochuku, show me the tomato juice. You have to do something about this. What can I do? What I go do be say I go make sure say I catch them red-handed. Like I go catch them. Then they no come know wetin they want to. Hey! But you, Brother Brian, I dey pity him. I dey pity.
Where is that idiot? Where is my bedsheet and my gown? Huh? Where is my bedsheet and my gown?
I beg, no dey talk to me anyhow. No dey call me names, I beg.
Are you crazy? See, I have noticed that you have gone weeks in this house. I am going to cut it off for you if you do not.
One make I go meet your husband. I was gonna say, husband man, sir. I see your wife when he was kissing that brother. You carry dada.
What do you want to do?
I don't come back from my dream. No problem. Ma I go check the bedsheet that I don't dry. Ma bring her come. If you want.
What is it?
I can't stop thinking about you. You're so close to me yet very far. I want to have you all to myself.
That's not possible. We're just having fun and you know it.
Hey, come on. Rose, I know you very well. You're in love with me. You can't deny that.
I love Brian and nothing can change that.
Roga, my man.
Hey, Calvin. What's good? You know, I've been asking Brian about you. When was the last time I saw you?
That was 2 years ago in the UK while I was doing my master degree program.
Oh, yes. That's right. It's actually a long time. Wow, you look good. Rose here was about to take me to the salon. You know, my cabman was delaying, so she offered to help. Yes.
Talking about Rose, have you to notice something odd about her?
How do you mean?
This girl is a bad news for my brother. Yes, she has the most chilling character ever.
Excuse me? Do you realize you're talking about me? I am standing right before you.
And who said I was hiding my conversations? See, you can fool my brother, certainly not me. I can see right through your skin that you are a faker, a user, and a gold digger.
Then let me dig my gold in peace. What is your problem, Calvin? Why do you hate me so much? Why is it so hard for you to see me breathe in 1 second? Why? Besides, I thought your brother already told you to stop showing your retarded, useless face and scop out. What are you doing here?
This is my brother's house. I can come here whenever I want. Anytime, anyhow, and nobody is going to stop me.
Who the hell do you think you are, Kevin? Who are you? Look at this nincompoop, a bastard, a fool, a sengamenge like you.
Hey.
Who the hell do you think you are?
Hey,
You're not sengamenge. You better just imagine. You're talking to me.
Guys.
Kevin, you are very stupid. You are sick in the head, though.
Rose.
You will die a miserable death. Let me just tell you.
Rose.
What is your problem with me?
Rose.
Get out of my house, please. Look at it. Did you see that?
Rose.
Did you see what just did? Idiot. Bastard. Son of a bitch. That's not telling them to calm down. Don't you dare tell me to calm down. Who was that for? Did you see what you know that I was vomiting from his big mouth? Shut up, my patient.
Rose, you need to calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. Did you see what just happened? No, didn't you hear what he was saying about me? Right in my presence. Who the hell do you think he is?
You need to calm down, Rose. Okay? I've known Kelvin for decades now. He talks too much. Alright? I don't need you to pick a fight with him.
Oh, really? I am not going to pick a fight with him. I swear to God, I'm going to end his life on earth. I will make his life so miserable for him. Since Gavin has sworn that I will never have peace or joy in my marriage, he will rot in hell. What? No, I need to go.
Hey. That's enough.
So he was like, he wants to take care of my bill. Then I told him, are you sure? Because I'm an independent woman and I can take care of my bills myself. The next thing, he brought out his card and paid my bills. It was about 62k. He drove me home, made a transfer of 200k to my account. He said I should just get whatever I want.
No, you are joking, right?
No, I'm serious.
Wait, I'm gonna leave this English. My check. Oh,
Calm down, you like money.
Wow.
I am so happy for you.
Thanks, darling.
Me too.
And guess what? Just guess who is going on a date today?
No fucking way. No way. You are going on a date with him.
Of course.
Oh my God.
Wow. I'm happy for you, darling.
I am happy for you.
Thank you. And who is that handsome man I saw earlier?
Oh,
sorry. That's Roger. Yeah, Brian's good friend. He came for the wedding till the wedding was shifted, so you have to still till the wedding, you know. But he's so cute. I mean, sexy.
Can you stop it?
Why? Is he married?
He's not married. He's single, but you have to stop it. Stop crushing on him. I have my reasons, please.
Okay, fine. Okay, let's just cheers our drink.
Yeah, cheers.
They take a easy. Look at the way she just shouting. Now my fault. The guy is cute now. Sorry.
Dirty people is my sister and the husband. Woman supposed to clean the house, he no go clean. Easy. My sister. Condom. My sister husband never come back since I sweep this room last. Now only that brother with the carry big long hair. Now I enter this room with my sister. Now I say condom. Condom, who is you? My sister is you. Hey! My sister is an Ashima. My sister is an Hey!
Who are you talking to?
Nobody. I'm talking to myself and myself is talking to myself.
Please take this. Buy me fish in the market. I need to make something very fast.
Fish? But I buy fish for you the other day and I still get fish.
Are you alright? Are you by any chance questioning my orders in my own husband's house? Are you alright? Buy me fresh fish. What you bought for me 2 days ago was baranga. I don't need it. Buy me fresh. Something fresh. I want to make something fresh to eat. Do you understand me?
Yes, Your Highness. Yes, sister. You can remember evidence coming.
That's Brian can give it to you the way I do, right? Hey. Relax. It's just both of us. Hey. Relax, baby. Okay?
No. Stop.
Babe. 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 Babe.
How was the trip?
I have been knocking. Your office to open. Where's everybody?
Where is everybody? I don't understand. I'm just alone in the room, and besides, I do stuff after my morning workout.
And Ruga?
Ruga said he wanted to get something somewhere, so if he's not at home, then maybe he has gone out. And he's supposed to come back on Saturday. What happened?
Oh, yes. I finished what I went to do on time, so I decided to come back to surprise him. Wait, hold on. You mean you're alone in this whole house?
I'm alone?
Because I heard so much noise coming from this room.
I'm sure it was a television set.
Right.
Oh my goodness, God, you got me. Wow, I love it.
Alright, let me freshen up so I can do it.
No, that baby is on. I prepared something very amazing for you.
I missed you so much.
I know, babe. I miss you too.
I missed everything about you.
So,
alright, let me freshen up so we'll get something to eat.
No, baby,
so
I think you should eat first before you go take your bed.
No, I need to freshen up.
Baby, I made this delicacy just for you, and it's getting cold.
No, I need to try it.
Baby, this way. This way, this way, this way. This way, this way.
Life is good and life is nice. Everyone wants a little bit of this and that. When you are in a place and no other
Oh yeah, went well. And I hope you guys don't miss me too much.
No, baby.
Are you sure? But very sure she will sleep.
Yeah.
sure you're fine.
What is wrong with you? What was the meaning of that you were expecting in there? Just a few hours after we almost got caught, here you are behaving like a kid. What is your problem?
Why are you panicking?
Why
Live your life, yes. Live your life. Enjoy the adventure.
This is too risky and I don't think I can continue with this anymore. It is done.
And, are you sure about this?
I just told you it is over. Please.
It's never over, darling. Never over.
Hi, what's up, Satya? How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm sorry I've not called in a long time. Yes, I've been very busy actually. Listen, I was thinking maybe we'll see later today. How about that?
Really? Okay, I'll be with you. 20 minutes time.
Okay then. I'll see you later today, okay?
Yeah. Yeah! Wow. Calm down. Sit here. Calm down. Calm down. Oh, somebody hold me. Wait, my bag. What's up? Don't mind me. Actually, I'm with Roga. I hope you don't mind.
You're with who? Ruga?
Hi, she's with me. Hi guys. Please permit me to take this darling to my room.
Auntie, the food don't. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Uncle Ruga, welcome. Auntie Cynthia, welcome.
Thank you.
So may you come see us. Well done. This is one of the whole now. I don't come understand. Like, I don't laugh. Now you can uncle.
Yes.
Sister, Sister
Rose, anyways, you're all welcome.
Thank you very much.
Welcome, my dear.
Brother Brian, we have a full house. Count you 1, 2, 3, 4 plus me 5. Ha! Food goes smoking. I go feed dinner. Brother Ruga, now you can come. Now they go.
So go and prepare some for everybody to eat and let's eat together.
Thank you very much, Somto. Okay, that's enough. We'll have to go upstairs to the room now.
Oh.
Darling, let's go.
Oh, Brother Ruga, in our
Just get everybody their food.
What's the meaning of that?
I don't understand. Don't tell me you're not happy for them.
Happy, you see?
Yes! You should be happy for them. Roga and Cynthia, they fell in love.
Are you kidding me right now? Cynthia is my friend. I should give my approval, right?
What approval? Come on. What approval are you talking about? They are both adults. They have every right to fall in love with each other. Huh? So you should be happy for them.
Why am I sitting down here having this flimsy conversation between the first place?
I don't get it. Hey! Are you serious? All right. Your movie.
You can watch it alone.
Women. Huh? Come on. What have I said? What have I said wrong? Huh? Can you imagine? Women with problems all the time. They like nagging. Come on. Why are women so They're so insatiable, they're so self-centered. Huh? No, she's happy with me. Now she's angry that her friend... come on.
Are you going to do this all day?
Honestly, I feel so bad. But you told me she won't mind us being together.
Of course she won't mind. Besides, why do you even care about her?
Hello. Why shouldn't I? She is my best friend. You know what? I'm leaving. Don't even bother to send me up.
Hey, no, come on. I won't let you do that. Look at the time. It's already late.
Roger, I can find my way out. Please.
You know what? I'll let you take the bed. Okay? I'll just stay on the floor. I promise you I will not touch you. Okay?
I never knew this would infuriate you so much. If I knew, I wouldn't have done it. I swear. I didn't know.
I warned you, Cynthia. I warned you. But all you did was to play deaf ears to all my warnings. I told you not to look at his way. I warned you, didn't I?
I know. I'm sorry, but nothing happened.
Oh, please, cut that crap. I don't want to hear it.
Trust me.
Oh, please, do not tell me that crap. Don't tell me that bullshit that you guys never had sex last night. I do not want to hear it.
I swear. I didn't do anything.
You swear?
Yes. You know I wouldn't betray you. Because I know you want the best for me. The moment I know you're angry, that's why I didn't do anything with him. I crossed my heart. I swear. I'm sorry.
Cynthia, I have your interest at heart. I can't stand seeing you hurt.
I know.
Ruga is a playboy. You deserve more. He is not your type of guy.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll give you a call, okay? Take care. Bye.
Thank you. I was expecting your call.
And what was that for?
That was for trying to mess with my friend, you idiots.
Sister B is sleeping with brother Gabian carpet. And the guy is such a big man. Should I tell him? No. I cannot betray my sister no matter what. God, please. Open Oga Brian's eyes to see this. He deserves more than this. He's too good for this kind of thing.
I am the luckiest man on earth to have you as a wife. You know what?
What, babe?
We are not going to postpone our wedding anymore. We're getting married.
Really?
Yes, because I'm happy that I'm getting married to the most caring woman, the most beautiful woman on earth. I'm the most understanding woman.
Guess what, babe? I have a good news for you.
Oh, for real? So tell me.
Okay. I just got off the phone with my mom and she told me that she will be in Nigeria in a few weeks' time.
Are you serious?
With my stepdad.
Oh! You mean the white man?
Yes. The white man.
Wow. That means we'll be having a full house. Oh, all right. Okay, where's my phone? All right, just hold on. Let me call my parents and the event planner so they can carry on. All right.
Thank you.
Okay. Hold on. Where's my letter?
Okay. Oops. Did I just say the white man? Oh goodness gracious, what? Even if I have to fake my mother, to get all young and classic woman, where the hell am I supposed to get a white man from? To fake as well? Well, I trust myself. No situation is too strong not to hide for Rose.
Sorry to start on you. Listen, I need you to do me a favor. Okay? I need some shaving blades. Did you hear me? I said I need you to help me buy some shaving blades. Alright? Please.
There's a blade. They don't used to use a blade for shaving.
I mean shaving sticks. Okay, yeah.
Sir, please, I wanted to go and do something inside. When I finish, I will go.
No. I need it right away. Okay, you see, I need to go somewhere now and I'm looking very bushy.
Where do you want to shave, sir? None of my business, sorry. Give me 500 in case. I don't know what I do in my past.
It's alright, I'll just leave you.
Yes, who is there? Somto? Somto, come in. Come in. What are you doing here? What is wrong with you? What is your problem? How many times do I have to tell you that whatever that transpired between me and you is long done with? Don't you understand it? I am done with you. It's over.
Well, listen, Rose. I am truly sorry for whatever I must have done that's gotten you this angry. But you must understand, we can't do this without each other.
Are you even listening to yourself talk? Are you? I am engaged to your friend Brian. He loves and cares about me. I cannot continue with this because I can't stand him being hot anymore. Understand me, please.
Okay, fine. I understand. Brian is a great guy. My best friend, yes. But you can't blame me for what I feel for you. What we feel for each other.
That is where you have a problem. You have to unfeel whatever you're feeling for me right now because I am done with you. Stop this, please. What if Brian walks into this room? What are you doing here?
Rose, listen.
Don't touch me.
Let's run away.
Excuse you?
Yes. You know, I can't imagine leaving all of this for Brian. Do you know how beautiful my life would be? Spending forever with you, right by your side. Have a beautiful moment. Visiting beautiful cities. Just the two of us.
having fun everywhere. God, it's going to be heaven on earth. And I will do everything within my powers to make sure that comes to pass.
When are we going to stop doing this to Brian? He doesn't deserve it.
I don't deserve this either. Yes, I love you so much. And I'll do whatever it takes to make sure you're mine. I'm never letting you go. Never. My cupcake. Life is beautiful.
You know, we negotiated for assistance, like, because of the
Right. What? You know how precious. Then, you know I will do anything. I will do anything to make her. You have nothing to worry about. Wow.
Alright, let's go to the office. Once you get the payments, we'll give you the original bill. This is actually good.
I have no problem. Let's go. Okay. Right. Wow. I love it. It's beautiful.
I know you love it.
Don't worry. Let's go and make the payment and get it. Wow, it's beautiful. Beautiful.
My mind is blowing, my heart is bleeding, all because of you. I am lonely, lost and broken. Why will you break my heart this way? 'Cause I am bleeding, bleeding for you, bleeding.
lost him, bro. I am just very sorry.
God, please. Go. Leave my house. Please.
Leave my house! Bro, you've got to calm down.
You don't want to go?
Alright, please.
You don't want to go? Alright.
When you are in a place, another place could they hungry you. That's where you want to be, wanna be. Good is good and bad is bad.
That's to make I give them space. They don't say, oh, wait till they review money for everybody. They tell me, say, give us space, give us space. I know if they want to. Say they want to. Review is not for everybody.
Bros. Somewhere you stand for outside like this. The thing where you say make I go buy, I don't buy and come. I know, I understand why you say me to go buy this. I know so now one space. I can't give you no space. But this thing where you they do, not be me go judge you now. The person that will judge you people, he day up and they look now. I know say they look now because one day, every day for the thief, one day for the owner. I don't buy the thing where you say I buy. There I be they find that one where people know Jimmy, but this one I say na Doroko. Look at one of the name we like. Doroko plate. Who needs you? What is that shoe? Boss, why you carry your bag they go? I don't carry your Doroko. Why hear my sister do bad thing finish? You can't carry a bag they go. What's happen? Abi they don't catch him. Hello, mama. I said you should follow that address I sent you now. If you follow the address they come, you go see the place now there. You get that junction? The junction I tell you. Oh, you enter bike now, enter bike. Tell them say that number why I give you for them. Enter there and stop. Since you don't enter the junction. Mama fast, if you reach the gate, just call me. Once you reach the gate, call my number, make I come and come usher you in. I don't dare say the way make I come usher you in. You never come for me to usher. Fast now, fast. I don't feel like I see you. Mama should I tell? That men are not joining for bike, oh. No, I are not joining for bike. All the bike people. Hey, starting on that baby knows. Happy to see Mama. I don't think I surprise her. This is how big you see her. I'm sorry, I don't know what to go to me. It's the devil fan. Baby, please, you know I love you. Please, I beg you, I am sorry. Please, just give me the last chance. How can I leave you for that thing? Somebody just possessed. Maybe I was just possessed by it. I don't know. Just please forgive me, please. Sorry, please. Ushering! The mother-in-law in. Come in. Sir Brian, meet my mama and Obegini, aka Rose Mama, your mother-in-law. Meet her, please to meet her. Mama, meet Obegini. Obegini, meet Mama. Adam, how be you? Obegini, Mama. Hey, Obegini. Adam, no. Hey, baby. Obegini. Mama, that is how city people used to behave. Once they see somebody that came new, they'll just start fighting. And so they will fight so that they'll welcome you. It's a form of saying welcome, Mama. But she was kneeling down. The kneeling down is their tradition in the city. They need that, it means that they will give you food when they see you. Hey!
betrayed my love after everything we've been through. We've been through. I had plans for us, many plans for you and I. Oh, unbreak my heart, 'cause I am bleeding, bleeding for you, bleeding, bleeding for you.
Good afternoon, since you first call and come out, I be don dey find you. Mama dey find you since yesterday night. She dey find you, no see you.
Master.
Where she wan go before? Na me usher her in now. You no fit usher herself go out except say I usher her out. But the thing be say she don dey wait for me since. Oga Brian, Mama say e get something very important wey you wan discuss with you about Obiageli, aka Rose, my sister.
Liar. That unapologetic, chronic cheat. Where is she?
I don't understand. Sir Brian, who has all this name? Who do all this name with the car? I don't get it.
Sister. Your sister, Rose. Where is she?
Talk of Obiageli, aka Rose. I don't know where she go. Yesterday, as soon as you quarrel, you first come out. Now so she too first follow you. She carry her bag, take some herself to go outside though. As soon as two girls first come out, you first come out. She carry her bag, come out. What will it happen?
Now listen to me. I do not want to ever see her. I will go there anywhere close to this premises. Okay?
Rose, Ruga, ha.
Hey! Jesus! I had...
Hey! I don't see these people, they do bad things. I don't can... Hi!
So you knew all this while you didn't tell me?
I don't knew. I know. But I know if you tell you that kind of thing. No, I know if you do it. As a man, not be like that. I the bond of sisterhood should say once your sister dey fuck up, you know if you cast am. I be the law. So I know if you cast my sister. As long as I do the bad thing, I say, I go there like this, they all call me. So I will say yes, I say come over, I will come. Take money, go buy anything when you go and buy anything. I say, you should say go buy anything. I go roam around for market, I don't go do it and one buy. Sometimes they will send me say, man, go buy anything I just want. The last one, you know, you did that I want to go shave the stick. Now I say you don't tell me, say man, go buy shave the stick. I say shave the stick. Go see what you shave the stick to for person house. I say no problem. I go buy the shave the stick. Sometimes if I go buy something, I go just dey buy the roam around for them. I forgive them time when they do the party when they want to. I don't support them, Sha. I don't support my sister. My sister don't tell you, I don't support her. She don't tell you.
Yeah, just tell Mama I will see her later.
Suspicion depression. You want freshen up? Something na pure cool.
You are in a place, and no other place could they hungry you. That's where you want to be, wanna be.
What have I done to myself?
Good is good and bad is bad.
How on earth did I put myself in this mess?
Makes us think twice.
I had a wonderful relationship. I had a perfect man, but I ruined everything. How do I bring myself out of this? Now Brian isn't even talking to me. Oh my goodness, God. Brian, please pick up. For how long will you keep busy in my calls? Just pick up your call, pick up.
You go to crazy. Think what you do, anybody will go understand. You go to crazy. You are so confused, but you know what you want to do it. Don't desire. Your body on fire. Put the 20 days on your soul. You can never appreciate what you have until you lose it all. You can never appreciate what you have until you lose. You can never appreciate what you have until you lose it all. You can never appreciate what you have until you lose. You can never.
My son, I don't understand what you are saying.
I really do not know how else I should explain this to you. But I loved your daughter so much. There is nothing I didn't do for Obiageli. Well, all she told me was her name was Rose. She never told me her name was Obiageli until you came in. I did everything for her. She never lacked anything in my house. I provided all she needed. I even went as far as telling her to stop working, to stay at home, and I would provide everything she needed. But all she could do is to hurt me badly. From the very first day I met Obiageli, it has been from one lies to another. She kept lying to me. She went as far as telling me her mother does not live in Nigeria. She lives in America. Even the day she came back home with Somto, she introduced her to me as distant cousin. Yes, she's here. You can ask her.
Distance, yes. My son, I don't know why Obiageli would do such. Obiageli, my daughter, always had her eyes on the ground. But I never knew it would get to this point of deceiving people and denying her own family. My son, I lost my husband when Obiageli was barely 2 years old. Much later, I got married and I gave birth to Somto here. It's me. I suffered to train Obiageli to this level she is now, so that when I will grow old, she will be there for me. She will treat me well. She will take good care of me. But look at, this is how she's paying me back for all the suffering I suffered for her. My son, Please. Please, will you find a way in your heart? Forgive me.
Please, come on, get up. Stand up, please. Mama.
Forgive
Mama,
me.
stand up. Come on, stand up.
Forgive her.
Mama, no, stand up.
Forgive us.
Mama, yes, I'm not angry. Mama, it's not your fault. Mama, please, stand up. Mama, please, stand up. Get up now. Carry Mama up, please.
Mama, carry yourself.
Mama, get up.
Mama, carry yourself up. Mama, sorry. Let me kneel on behalf of my mother. Sorry, please. Sorry.
My dear, have you forgiven her?
Hey, sister. Hey, sister, peek. Hey, sister, peek now, peek, let me tell you. Hello, sister, hello.
I can't believe this. This is impossible. I mean, Rose could do this, all that, Sonto, and I'm calling her, she's not picking up. Eh? Wait. Let me call Riverton Hotel. Yes, because that's where she normally stays when she wants to stay alone, you know, private with. Hello, hi. This is Cynthia. Please, I want to talk to my friend Rose. Is she there? Oh, it's okay. It's okay, no problem. Thank you. What did he say? She's not there.
Ha! Reverse the call. Call them again. Tell them say her name na Obegedi. Because that Rosa way they call, no be everybody know. My sister real name na Obegedi. Now where she dey hide and since mine no tell people, everything don't scatter. So you need to tell them. Call them again. Reverse the call. Say hello, Obegedi, is it
They
there?
know her as Rose. See, I'm texting her on WhatsApp. She's online. She's reading, but she's not replying.
My sister know the slap person again. No the slap and they say they slap. You know the slap person. Just leave that thing way they do. Just call her for phone. Call her again.
You know what? Wait, let me send her voice note on WhatsApp. Maybe she will listen to it.
At least she'll listen to that.
Hello, Rose. Hi, this is
Hi.
One wants a little bit of this and that. When you are in a place, another place could they hungry you. That's where you want to be, wanna be. Good is good and bad is bad. Yeah. But our desire makes us think twice. Until you quench that burning desire that is
Rose. How could you do this to Brian?
Rose, I'm disappointed. Seriously, I'm disappointed.
I am sorry. I am deeply sorry, please. This is not the time to apportion names. I beg you, if you have any iota of love for me, help me beg Brian. Make him understand that I am truly sorry. I swear, if Brian refuses to forgive me, I am going to kill myself.
No. It hasn't gotten to that. Just calm down. We'll think of something.
Wait a minute, Rose. So this was the reason you don't want to see me and Roger together? Really? You told me it was for my interest. I believed you. And even it was for your selfishness. How could you?
Please, I don't know what came over me. This is unlike me. I am ashamed of myself right now. Please, guys, I'm sorry.
Rose, you lied to everyone, including us, your closest friends. We are more like sisters. What was the essence of lying that your mom was in abroad, meanwhile she was in the village? Why? Why?
You know your standard. You guys come from a wealthy family. I wanted to meet up. I wanted to be like you guys. Yes, I was envious of you, but God, I don't know where to start from at this point of my life.
What has this got to do? You went as far as denying your flesh and blood. You denied Santo. How in the name of trying to be a big girl, what?
These guys, I am.
Take it easy.
Ow!
It's okay. I am bleeding for you, bleeding for you.
Rose.
For you.
Where did I go wrong?
You betrayed my love after everything.
Loved you. Showed you so much love.
I had plans for us, many plans for you and I.
What is going on here? Brian. What did I hear? Is it true?
Hey, come on, please. I know what you're about to say right now, but please, I'm not just cut out for the... Yes, fine. I messed up. I know you told me, but I didn't listen to you. But please, I'm not ready for any blame, okay? Just...
No, Brian, it's not your fault. You were in love. Rose is the wicked one here. She is heartless. She's heartless, yes. It's not your fault. I promise you everything will be fine. At least you are not married to her yet. Yes. Everything will be fine. Cheer up. Everything will be fine. Come on.
Soto! Where are you going with your bag? What do you mean, Where are you going with your bag?
I dey go my papa house now. They say when pikin wey you come carry die, you go back to where you dey come from. The thing that happen is that my sister wey make me come this house don comot for the house. I can't use my church mind manage say make I stay with you, make I for no dey bad as my sister dey bad to you, make I do you good to pay back the sins of my sister. Now I can't say make I for stay back, they cook for you food, make you dey shop, they help you do one or two small things before I go village. You know they appreciate am. I go suffer, go market, come back, cook food for you, you don't go chop am. Every day food they waste. I go do every other thing for the house, you know they appreciate. You know they laugh, nothing. Only what they do, you just sit down for here. They drink. If you drink, you go smoke. If you smoke, you go sleep. If you sleep, you go they think. I'm done. Oga, I don't they go.
Hey, stop now. Stop. Okay, fine. I didn't mean to shout at you. I'm sorry. Try to understand. You know you've helped me a lot to try to recover, but please, if I've said anything wrong that's got to you, I'm really sorry.
Okay, I no go on two conditions. Me and you go do trade by barter. That be the truth. We go do trade by barter. You ready? Make I can't give you the consequences.
Yes.
Okay. Now two things. Number one, if I cook food for this house, you go to chop am. You dey hear that one? Any day I cook food again, you no go waste am. You must chop it.
Yes.
Is that right? Number two. Oga say number two. So that I go know say you dey follow me for this thing while they talk.
Number two.
Beautiful. Number two, I hear say my sister Obiageri, aka Rose, you drink poison. So Oga, you go see him.
No customer, you.
Oh God. Please pick up your phone, please. I'm sorry. Pick up. Pick up your phone.
The Glow customer you're calling.
What have I done to myself? Yes, hello? Who's this? What is your problem? Why are you calling me? What exactly do you want from me?
You have blocked all my lines. I have looked everywhere for you. Please, can you listen to me for just a minute?
You know, it is quite clear to me that you are the devil's right hand man. Haven't you caused enough damage for me already? Why is it so hard for you to leave me the hell alone?
I've been looking everywhere for you because I wanted to apologize for everything. But you must understand, everything I did was out of love. Rose, I have loved you from the very first day I saw you. That's why I had the mind to give up my relationship with Brian. Just to have you, because I couldn't imagine life without you.
Do you want to kill me before you let me be?
Come on, Rose, I will never kill you. I'd rather die than watch you die. Okay? Be with me. Be with me. I will give you a better life. I will love you better. I promise you. I will. I will.
Listen to me. If you call my number again, I promise you, God will punish you for the rest of your useless, miserable, pathetic life. Get the hell out of my phone.
Rose. Hello? Hello? Rose. Rose.
Oga, this thing where they do is not good. This thing is not good. You know they come out, they go outside again, Oga. You know they go work, you know they shop. You know you don't get anything where they do. The only thing where you don't they do recently, now say you go sit down, they do smoke this thing and they drink. And this thing where you they smoke now, they write am for the body. Smokers are liable to die young. I read that for the Concom. It's not good, sir. Where would you go?
What are you trying to do?
Oga, follow me, may you go shop food. You don't they break your agreement, Oga. If you break your agreement, me I will break my agreement. I will carry my bag, go back to my village. Only you go stay for inside this house. Loneliness go finish you. You will come start to do lonely. Yeah, eat. Eat now. Move. One. Uju. The food sweet, I make cook. I know it's sweet. You don't get excuse for saying it's so sweet. One, they eat fast now. As they shoot this in, I guess if they drink water. Drink water. You know, say our agreement at 52 spoon. 52. So 1 out of 52, you never work out. What babies are poor, so just do the thing. Because your mama never done. This, they never grant. See, they will do. You do like you say you pack. The way they do it, they waste time. Let me keep this way. 2 fast. Since me, I never stitch up. All that they beat me, but I know if you to me for the food. Fast, please. You like the food? I don't say inside your mind you like this food. You don't say shame I take you come outside. You know why I agree say you like the food. But it's okay, I understand. 3 that's 50. Now 50, I'm gonna go pack my bag. Man go carry my bag. Okay, one man go carry my bag. Okay. 49 is still too much. Perfect me now. Make you to eat. They eat normal. If you eat like this, that means we no go come for this dining table like this thing. You are not a baby. You senior me. Me when be pikin, I know they behave like pikin. You will not be pikin, they behave like pikin. Eat fast, 48. They eat, they put on for man. No, now you do bad thing. Saturday they call it. You think you have sense, you think you have brain. I guess it's something like this small. Wait for the chopper. Mahavuru rice and mahavuru it's not good for head. Carry on like this.
I feel so miserable. Every single thing that is happening to me right now, I brought it upon myself. I am so ashamed of myself. I don't even know what got into me. I mean, I had a perfect man, but I ruined it with all the lies. I lied about everything, including my background. I don't know what came over me.
Sister Ebele, you don't have to be hard on yourself. That's the truth. You are still a good person, let me tell you. If not, you would have sent me back to the village since. You still accepted me inside your house. It's just that I'm surprised. I don't know what changed you. It changed a lot.
I did. The environment changed me. I think so, because I can't believe I turned myself into this vulnerable woman. I don't know what came over me.
Like I said before, don't be hard on yourself. It's not easy. It's still not easy for Oga Brian. He's not finding it easy. But if you ask me, I will say that it's better for you to go and beg him. Tell him, Oga Brian, I'm sorry, forgive me everything I've done to you. He will forgive you.
Are you kidding me? I saw Brian yesterday at his gate. He almost ran me over with his car.
Yeah.
I mean, it was clearly stated that he does not want to set his eyes on me again. I don't deserve life, you know. I feel like killing myself.
Hey, this is very serious.
I'm glad you are better now.
Oh, yeah. I'm better. At least, all thanks to God. And Sumto. Yeah, may God bless her. She actually helped me recover very fast. Such a nice girl.
Well, as for Rose, it's her loss. What about Ruga?
Hey, please. Just stop mentioning that name, okay? Please, I do not want to have anything to do with him. I don't want to speak with him. I don't want to see his face. I don't want to read from him. Okay?
Yeah, sorry, bro. I'm so sorry. Sumto, she's a nice girl. From the very first day I met her. She's the opposite of her sister. So, what do you think about her? She's a good girl. Why don't you wife her?
What are you waiting for? Wife her.
Sumto, I want to thank you for taking good care of my brother.
You're welcome. I thank you too. I thank God say your brother don't well. Now God one, no be man.
All thanks to you. Yes.
Thanks to me too. Bros, Judas, I say make I tell you say I'm gonna go this weekend.
See, you go nowhere. you stay in this house.
I bet which kind of rough play be that one. You know, say this your hair. Now make me they call you Judas Iscariot. Now when my mama put Jesus film, now I see Judas saying that this kind of hair, Baba. I make her they call you that name. See, I don't understand where they go. My mama don't they call me already, and I don't like the call which they call me.
Sonto, I'm not Judas. You see this house? You are going nowhere. See, let me see my brother. You go nowhere. You will stay.
Sonto, you go nowhere. Tomato, you go nowhere. May not be saying this Judas. They plan make him marry me, make he come keep me for this city. God forbid bad thing. Instead of me to marry this Judas Iscariot, I better go marry all the people where the village don't they toast me since. After all the people we don't learn the carpenter work by this time now. At least we don't get small money. As I come now, at last say, oh no, you go tell me, Sonto, my tomato, two of us go come there. At least I don't go city, I don't to shop. We all spend on me now. We all day everywhere for village. I love the city. They sit me like say I don't fall in love with her already. I just like say, Olu, I love you. You go tell me, Tommy.
Sonto, I just want to use this medium to say thank you. Thank you very much for everything you've done for me. For helping me recover so fast after everything your sister did to me. Thank you.
You are welcome, sir. Not be me do one, God do one for us.
Yeah, no, I'm not done. I'm still talking. Okay? This few time we spent together, I've grown fond of you. Yes. And everything I keep imagining is me spending the rest of my life with you.
Rose, what? Sir? God forbid bad thing.
Hey, come on. Look into my eyes.
I'm not fit.
Alright, fine. Listen. Come on. Every time, all I imagine is spending the rest of my life with you. Come on. Yeah, listen. Let me not just beat around the bush, okay? I see you. Please marry me. Yeah, I want you to marry me.
God forbid bad thing, sir. I not go fit do this kind of bad thing. A very big bad thing. What of my sister Obegeli Rose?
Oh, come on. Come on. Yeah, bro, I can't do anything with Rose. I have no business with Rose anymore. She hurt me so bad. You know about it. You know everything she has done to me.
Oga, I'm sorry, sir. I know, but now my sister she be. I know fit do bad thing. And they don't know me say I do bad thing for village. They only know say I stubborn. I know they hear word, but bad thing I know they do.
Sonto, I understand everything you're saying. Listen, I owe no grudges against your sister anymore. So please, just...
Bros, all this thing where you talk, I know they hear. I'm sorry to offend you, sir. The thing be say my sister, deep down in her heart, they feel say she do you bad, and true she do you bad. So if you want me, you and my sister get peace of mind, you go find my sister where she did and say, Obegeli Rose, I don't forgive you. She go come no say you don't forgive her, and she too go still forgive you. Not to go rest in peace.
Yeah, listen, I have forgiven her everything she did to me. Everything. But one thing I can't forget is Rose or Biageli is sleeping with my own friend in my room. I'll do whatever you want me to do. I'll follow you. Right, please, just give me a hug. Hey, come on. Just a hug.
Bro, sir, I won't go.
Come on, just a hug.
Yes, come in.
Sister.
Soto.
I bring Oga Brian come.
Welcome, please sit.
Alright. Thank you. Sit down.
Sister, you buy me new clothes. No,
it's fine. Brian. Please, I want to use this medium to say that I'm deeply sorry. I am really, really sorry. I don't know what came over me. I didn't even know most of the things I was doing, trust me. Please, I beg you. Forgive me from your heart. I am on my knees, please. Please.
Get up, sit down. Sit down. You see, Rose, I hold no grudges against you anymore. Yes. See, forget about what happened. You are a good person. Yes, you are a good person. And I don't know where you got this fake life from. And the good part of you is far bigger than the bad part of you. So listen, irrespective of everything that has happened, I am still here for you. Any day, anytime you need anything from me, just say it. I will still do it for you. Okay? I've forgiven you. I've forgiven you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Somto, I am forever indebted to you for doing this for me. Thank you.
You're welcome, sister. Sister, I have something to tell you.
Really? Out with it.
The thing they shame me to talk, I dey fear.
Just say it, please.
Oga Brian say make I marry am, but I dey fear.
What are you waiting for? Oh my goodness God. This is good news. I am happy for you. Please, I beg you, Somto, marry him. You're the only person that will take care of him for me, please. I am sincerely happy for you guys. Congratulations. I approve. Get married to him. I mean, this is the best news ever. I mean it.
Sister, thank you. Thank you.
It's okay. Congratulations.
I don't agree to marry you now. Where you keep that ring?
Come here.
I am so happy for you, both. And that reminds me, I have been talking to Mama for the past 3-4 days now. She has forgiven me.
Oh, good news.
Thank
Good news. Double good.
Thank God. Hey.
I'll be traveling next week to Canada.
Another good news.
I want to change my base. I need to pick up my broken pieces of my life and then forge ahead.
Sister, I will miss you. I'll miss you so much.
We all miss you.
Don't worry, we'll be talking from time to time, okay? But first, take good care of Brian for me.
Thank you.
Please. It's okay.